Welcome to the second part of the English questions and answers and more that you need to know. As a beginner, these questions and answers will help you in your daily conversations. In today's lesson, you'll learn more than 10 English questions and answers. So grab your pen and your notebook and let's get down to the nitty gritty.
Are you single? Are you single? Yes, I am. Yes, I am. Are you married? Are you married? No, I am not married. No, I am not married. Do you have kids? Do you have kids? How many children do you have? How many children do you have? I have 2 children. I have 2 children. Do you have a wife? Do you have a wife? Yes, I have a wife. Yes, I have a wife. Do you have a husband? Do you have a husband? No, I don't have a husband. No, I don't have a husband. What is this? What is this? What is that? What is that? It's a broom. It's a broom. It is an apple. It is an apple. Whose car is this? Whose car is this? It is my car. It is my car. Whose pencil is this? Whose pencil is this? It is your pencil. It is your pencil. Who is your favorite Haitian rapper? Who is your favorite Haitian rapper? My favorite Haitian rapper is Gabriel. My favorite Haitian rapper is Gabriel. Are you sleepy? Are you sleepy? No, I am not sleepy. No, I'm not sleepy. Please give me some water. Please give me some water. Do you like to eat boiled eggs? Do you like to eat boiled eggs? Yes, I like to eat boiled eggs. Yes, I like to eat boiled eggs. What is your religion? What is your religion? I am a Christian. I am a Christian. He is Catholic. He's Catholic. Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a girlfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a boyfriend? No, I don't. No, I don't have a girlfriend. Yes, I do. Yes, I have a boyfriend.
Thank you so much for watching. If you liked the video, you can give me a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. Have a great day you all, and see you in another video.